blossoms still bloom on each tree, when leaves are still green in December, it's then that our land will be free. I wander her hills and her valleys, and still through my sorrow I see a land that has never known freedom, and only our rivers run free. I drink to the death of her manhood, those men who would rather have died than to live in the cold chains of bondage, to bring back their rights were denied. Oh, where are you now when I need you? What burns where the flames used to be? Are you gone like the snows of last winter, and only our rivers run free? How sweet is life, but we're crying. How mellow the wine, but it's dry. How fragrant the rose, but it's dying. How gentle the breeze, but it sighs. What good is in youth when it's aging? What joy is in eyes that can't see, when there's sorrow in sunshine and flowers, and only our rivers run free? Oh, where are you now when I need you? What burns where the flames used to be? Are you gone like the snows of last winter, and